guys, so it's me Valerie obviously, and it's Monday in Collab Society. Okay, so I kind of forgot to make my video because, the first week back, and I've filmed 2 other things today, so sorry, this is a crappy webcam video. The theme for this week was to do the wacky hair day, so basically I'm just gonna wing this. I don't know, this doesn't even look like a wacky freaking hair. Look kind of does now. Let's do a fail poof. Oh god, yeah, this is a total fail. The challenge is to impersonate your favorite celebrity. I think all of you know who my favorite celebrity is. Hey guys, Justin Bieber. I am in a relationship with Selena Gomez, even though she's a shady bitch. Sorry, I just added that in. Love my believers. I have a swagger coach just because I have that much swagger. I'm Canadian. I love my family. Never say never, guys. I love my fans. Kid Roll, I started out making YouTube videos, This made Justin Bieber sound really cocky. I will talk to you guys later, I guess. Toodaloo.